Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I am doing Project Life for week 8. This is the week of the 17th to the 23rd. I have a stack of photos, and I've got some printables. The printables, let me just figure these out 1 second. The printables I'll go over in a minute. I'm just going to get things organized here because, as you can see, I've already done all of my journaling. On here. Okay, because I am using the fun kit. This is the Storyteller kit from Ali Edwards. It's the quarterly kit that she's doing now, and I love it. Can I just say, this is the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen in my life, and I've printed it on vellum, as you can see here. Did I need to? No, I just wanted to play. So I have done some of the things. I have basically designed this fully in Canva. I imported everything into Canva, and then I have designed it fully in Canva. So I have got all of my journaling cards done, and I'm going to show you. This was one of the die cut images. I took the background off it. Again, you can do that in Canva. I'm pretty sure I did it in Canva. You can take the background off it. I don't know if that's a paid thing, but it's well worth it. Just take the background off, and then I've got a lovely little camera thing. So I've got that on most of them. So I'm going to put these in and then just match them with the photos. That's basically the jive. And you'll see this one. I don't remember. This was from the February kit, but I don't remember what the original card was. I just, again, I put it into Canva, and there's a little button. I can't remember what it says, like remove background or something. And then you're left with the quote. And then I just changed the quote to white and then put it on the pink background. Boom, done. Let me know if you want to see a video about any of this. And then I've got some other filler cards. Again, look at these. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Can we just say, just beautiful. So I basically just did a this was fun for all of the things. Because why wouldn't you? And then the green is going to go up there. So I've got a little tiny photo. I don't know if you can see that. That's going to go in there. And then I just have to match these up with the photos. I've got a couple of options for this because I didn't know what size I was going to want. That one for there, talking about my food. Cosmo can go there. And then I've got a card missing again. I've literally just had it. I can't even. I do this all the time. I have everything, and then I get completely sidetracked, and I've got a card missing. There is a card missing. All right, I'm just going to go and print another card, rather than basically drive myself crazy trying to find it. There was a green card. I need to go print another one. I'll be right back. It's this one. I don't know where it is. I've definitely printed this out. It has disappeared into the ether. It has disappeared. I think as well, I printed another one of these. Same thing. I think I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to round the corners. Not quite the rounding that I should have done, but we're going to go with it. Get off. Now, the other thing I was going to say was this photo here is me and my new shoes. And I have this. This is a little tag that was from the shoes. I'm going to put this on. I just need to figure out where it's going. I might also use these. Sorry, got sidetracked. Whoa, I got sidetracked. These are also from the kit. I think I want to move these. Hang on. That's better, maybe. Yeah, that's going on there, because so not fun having a mammogram. I've gone from last week not having much journaling to having all of the journaling this week, because I didn't have many photos. And I was like, I still want to get the project done. And I'm like, okay, so we tell the stories this week. Don't know why I like it that way. Oh, there we go. Okay, never mind. I've figured it out. I figured it out. It's good. We're fine. And then I've got this. Oh, I've got these. Sorry. Just can't seem to get my brain to work today. I've got these little strips. It says making time for fun. And I've got another one of those. I'm going to save that for something else. It was just a bit bigger. So the kit was all about fun, clearly. And I just loved it. So I think that's just going to go there. And then maybe a little strip there. That might go there. Where did it go? And then the other one goes here. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yes. And then I think that's, oh, I'm going to put this in. Just going to round the corners, do the thinner one, the less roundy one, I'm not going to lie, that's bugging me, but I'm going to try and let it go. That can go there. Yes. And then back in January, I think it was, I did these. Now, I've got these that I could use here, not green, not blue, maybe yellow or red or pink. I think it's pink. Could be pink. This one time. And if you know, you know. This one time. Fun times. That doesn't go there. I may just move those around. Just so that I can bring in that green thing. And I'm going to cut it up and stack it instead. I say this, you know, you don't have to keep things as they are. This one is there. Oh, no, don't stick. That's going there, absolutely. Or is that going there? That goes there. See, I think I need 3 of those now. I don't want the green one though. I don't want the blue. I think it is that yellow one. I don't know what I'm going to put in there though. Oh, I can put some of these word strips in. Not good news. Let's put good times ahead. Even though it's not really appropriate because they screwed up my test, my urine test, and didn't test the whole sample. It's fine. This one should come together really quickly because I did most of it already. And then this one, I'm just going to adhere down. Yes, and then I need a number 8. I used these last week. I don't remember where I got these from. I think these are American Crafts. I'm not sure. Yep. And that, my friends, is done. Oh, I didn't stick this down. I did not stick this down. Not done. So not done. Oh, that's double-sided. I didn't notice that. Yeah, done. Like I said, just being printables makes it really easy, and you can guarantee I'm going to find this card in about 0.2 minutes after I've finished this spread. Printable kits make things really easy, especially if you're short on time. If you're short on time, just make things so easy. So easy. What you got to do is print them out, design everything in Canva. Again, let me know if you want a proper, I'm going to call it a proper tutorial of how I alter the kits. Like what I alter in the kits and stuff like that. Because I'm doing the project ones now, like what I'm putting together and stuff like that. Let me know if you want to see how I'm altering things to fit my, for lack of a better word, spreads. This was exactly what I needed to do. Ah, it's there. Ta-da! It's okay. Just put it to one side with the other ones. It'll just go in my stash. Alrighty, and close up. Alright, and that was Project Life for week 8 using Ali Edwards' Storyteller kit, which is all about fun. Fun, and I love that kit. It is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time. Bye!